welcome to Compund Marketing in Action, a video series where we dive into how your teams can unite their data, marketing, and AI strategies to drive compound growth. My name is Katharine, and today we're going to take a look at one of the most valuable tactics in a retailer's toolkit, which is going to be capturing recently abandoned carts. So this is going to be really the lowest hanging fruit available to marketers. It's folks who have reached the very bottom of that decision funnel and might just need a little nudge to convert. So today we're going to go ahead and use GrowthLoop's AI Studio to build these recently abandoned cart audiences. So AI Studio is basically a command center that marketers can use to collaborate with growth agents to quickly build highly targeted audiences. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a prompt here in natural language. I'm going to say, can you just suggest some audiences of people who have abandoned these carts who I can push to convert? All right, so what's going to happen? Our supervisor agent is going to hand that task over to our audiences agent. The audiences agent is going to take a look at the schemas that exist in your data warehouse, figure out how do I create audiences that match this prompt, and also take into consideration insights available in your data covering conversions, engagement, etc., to identify those groups of folks that are going to be most likely to convert based on this additional touch point. So you can see here that I'm generating, or I should say AI Studio is generating these results without using any SQL or manual filters, so it's really going to expedite that process. I have a few different options here. So I have recently abandoned carts in the last 3 days, abandoned carts that have specific product types. So it's giving me a few different plays on different types of abandoned cart audiences that I might want to target. All right, so in this particular case, I'm going to say I want to grab these recent high value cart abandoners. So folks who have abandoned carts in the last 7 days, but would have had a high transaction value. All right, so AI Studio is going to give me a little audience draft here. But here at GrowthLoop, we really believe in having marketers fully in the loop with AI. So leveraging AI to expedite workflows, to provide more intelligent audience suggestions. But at the end of the day, the marketer still has control. So here you can see that I've produced this editable audience draft. So it has these criteria pre-populated. So a transaction value that would have been greater than 50. The cart add date would have occurred within the last 7 days. I have the option though to also augment this with any other fields from my warehouse. So let's say that I want to focus particularly on people who are likely to purchase a certain product. So maybe I want to go ahead and grab folks who have a high product propensity for apparel. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see that GrowthLoop builds my live audience. So it's always going to refresh dynamically based on the latest data in your warehouse. And that's going to continue to refresh as you export this audience to activate it across your different platforms. All right, so that's how you can go ahead and start looking at targeting some recently abandoned cart audiences within GrowthLoop's AI Studio. If you have any questions or would like a personalized demo, you can go ahead and visit us at our website.